Lindsay.
I'm Chris.
And today we're doing the walk around turn in Rumba. Let's get started.
Lead us footwork for the walk around turn in Rumba. So starting with my left foot first, I'm walking forward, doing a box step, side together, going backwards with the right foot, going side together. The first box is normal. What happens next is I do a second box step, but I rotate it to my left. So I go forward on my left foot rotating, I go side on my right foot and close my feet together, and then I finish the box I started going backwards with the right foot, side, closing together. So just two boxes, first one straight, second one rotates. If I go from the beginning again, I go forward, left foot forward, I go side, and I close my feet together. I go back on the right, side, close my feet together. I go forward, rotate to the left, a quarter of a turn. Side right, close my feet together. Then back, side, together.
Okay, so this is the followers footwork for the walk around turn in Rumba. So we start with half a box with that right foot going back, side together. And then you're going to take 4 steps forward. So we walk forward, 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 and then we end rotating side together. And then we do our second half of our box to close the pattern. So again, we go back, half a box, side together, 4 steps forward, 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 side together, forward, and then we finish the pattern. So with the timing, we go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
With the counts, we'll go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Counts again, we'll go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Okay, key points for the walk around turn. So how I leave this pattern and initiate it, forward first is normal for a half box. I step backwards, lift the hand up as she comes forward. I continue my footwork as she continues to walk around. We both go forward and meet each other's side together. I wrap up again in frame. We finish the box, back side together, my forward.
Ladies, arm option as always. You can always grab your skirt, you can put it out and then extend it back to frame. Here we go, left, quick, left. I'm grabbing my skirt as I pass him, and then as he cuts me off, I go back to the frame. I'm just going to extend my hand out after I pass him, and then it lands right back to his shoulder, and we go back to our box. So ladies, even though we are going underneath his arm, we want to take that first step in line with our partner. So I'm going straight forward, just like my box, and then I start walking underneath his arm on an angle, and then I make it back to my partner. So a big common thing, so I'll show you wrong. I go back, side together, instead of going forward straight here, I'm going to trip over him, or just go really far over here, and now we're on twisted, I'm really far away. So we don't want to do that, just make sure you're taking that first step right in line with your partner, just like your box.
To help her and lead this better is I can lead her turn later. So I can start my box, I can lead her to come forward on this foot, and then I can pick the hand up to ensure that she comes straight at me. So if she is having trouble in going across and tripping over you, it could be because we lead it too soon, and then her instinct is to go right across. If I lead it a little bit later, if I bring her forward first and then pick the hand up, she'll definitely come right at you, and then you should line up correctly and it should be relatively easy. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And be sure to leave a comment below what you liked, what you didn't, what you're thinking about for next time. We're open to pretty much anything.
It's fun.
And we'll see you next time.